Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are fine and healthy at home. Today, I am going to tell you a story from your English book. And the name of the story is Wolf Wolf. After the story, you have to answer me some questions, okay? Okay, now listen it carefully. There was a naughty boy who lived in a village. He did not like going to school. This made his parents very sad and angry. They sent the boy to work for a shepherd. The shepherd needed a helper. A wolf from the forest nearby had been taking away his sheep one by one. The shepherd told the boy what he had to do. On the first day, he took the sheep and the boy to the hillside. He gave the boy a whistle and asked him to watch the sheep while he went to look after his cows in a field nearby. He told the boy to shout, "Wolf, wolf," and blow the whistle if he saw the wolf. The villagers would then come running to help the boy. They would frighten the wolf away. After telling the boy this, the shepherd went away. The boy watched the sheep for some time. After a while, he could not sit quietly any longer. He wanted to do something naughty. "Wolf, wolf!" he shouted and blew the whistle. The villagers ran to him with sticks in their hands. When they reached, the boy saw him laughing loudly. He had tricked them. They were very angry with the naughty boy and went back to their work. After some time, the boy shouted again, "Wolf, wolf!" and blew the whistle. Once again, the villagers came running with their sticks. Once again, there was no wolf. Once again, they only saw the boy laughing very loudly. This time, they shouted at the boy and told him never to play this trick again. They told him that they had a lot of work to do and that they could not keep running to him when there was no wolf there. After some time, the boy fell asleep. Suddenly, he heard the boy cry and the sheep cry, "Ba, ba." When he woke up, he saw the wolf coming towards the sheep. He blew his whistle and shouted, "Wolf, wolf!" But this time no one came to help him. He cried out again and blew the whistle as loud as he could. But no one came this time. The villagers thought that the boy was tricking them again. The wolf caught a sheep and carried it away. When the shepherd returned, he was very angry with the boy. He scolded him and sent him home. The boy knew that he had done something very wrong. He felt very sad that the wolf had taken away a sheep. He knew that it was because of him that this had happened. He walked up to his parents and gave them a big hug and cried. He promised them that he would not play a trick like this again. He told them that he would be good from then on. They were happy to hear what he had to say and asked him if he wanted to go back to school again. He looked at them, wiped the tears from his eyes, and nodded his head. "Yes, please, Mummy and Daddy," he said, as he gave them an ever bigger hug. So, this is the end of the story. Children, now I am going to ask you some questions. First, tell me, did you like the story? Okay. Now, my first question. Listen it carefully and answer me immediately. Understood? Okay. The first one is, Why were the villagers angry with the boy? My second question is, how many times did the boy play the same trick? My third question is, what did the wolf do? And my last question is, was the shepherd angry with the boy? Okay, children, now answer me immediately and send it to me. Thank you and goodbye.